And when I say get the samples, honey, I wasn't playing. Samples on deck, boo.
Cut the phone calls to break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the car ride. F-A-O-L, make my email stop. Cause you a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me, and don't you see it ain't cool.
Hey guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. If this is your first time here, I want to say welcome. I am Latrice, and today's video is going to be a quick little short video. As y'all can see, I got my little robe on. I don't have my wine right now, but I'm about to get ready to go to bed. It's a little late. So hopping straight into it, I got a couple of things, and I really just wanted to come and show you guys what I got. Okay. So we're gonna hop straight into it. I just got a couple of things. I got this bath bomb. As y'all know, they're bath bombs. They're like soapy. You put them underneath the water, and whatever color the bomb is what color sometimes the bubble is, but it's definitely what color the water is gonna be. And it's real glamorous, real like bougie. I don't know why I said it like that, but it's real bougie. And yeah. So I got this gold one. I kind of don't remember the names, so I'll make sure to put them in the description box at the bottom. But this is like a gold, it crumbled, but this is like a really beautiful gold bomb. How pretty is that? So I'm thinking pretty much that I'm gonna do this one this weekend because your girl's going out of town. Got some surprises for y'all with that, but your girl's going out of town. She about to, you know, get a little comfortable, go see some people. So yeah, I got this gold one, and I think I'm gonna save this one, but these are actually reusable. That's the great thing about them. So you don't have to actually, you don't actually have to use the whole thing when you're taking your bath. So I do like that. But I have like the ingredients in here. I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to know that. But so this is that one. Super, super pretty. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Look at the shimmer. Can y'all see that? Oh, it's going to be all on my body. Ooh, can't wait. Can't wait. It's definitely trying not to make sure I drop them. That will completely blow me. But yeah. So I also got a shower bomb, kind of similar to the one that you just bought. This one is really good for, wow, it's really bright, guys, sorry. This one's really good if you like living in an apartment, or you can't really get to like a bathtub, or maybe you have like a really small bathtub. Then this one's super, super good. You're gonna literally put it underneath the water, and it's gonna foam up, which is really, really cool. It's gonna foam up, and it's gonna act as a body wash. So you'll just rub it all over like you would a normal bath wash thing. Yeah. But these, from what I'm looking, they're just cute. It's not looking like you'll really get like the same effect if you're like sitting in the bath bomb and feeling whatever is in it. Like this one, I believe, has like a shea butter. So of course, when I get out of it, it's gonna be, no, that's the next one. Damn. But whatever is in it, you can't feel it on your skin. So this one is a bath bomb. I'm super excited about trying this thing. I also have this one. Now this one really I'm upset about, because I was really planning on taking this one, taking a bath with Bay or whatever, and the top of it has come off a little bit, so that completely has blown me. It was like gold. I'm gonna let you see it. So this is like a milk bath. I don't know if y'all are familiar with like milk baths. I typically do one like every month or so, maybe 2 months, every 2 months, a milk bath. It's like typically what I would do before I figured out what these were. I would get some milk, pour it in a tub, add a couple of essential oils in there and some salts, and I would soak. And by the time you're done, your skin is feeling absolutely amazing. Do you hear me? Amazing. So this is also acts as a bubble bath too. So these are reusable, so you don't exactly have to use all of it at the exact same time. You literally just take off a piece and put it in there. But I'm gonna use the whole thing But yes, so this also I'll have in the description box, the ingredients in here. And it honestly smells like fabric softener. And I'm real big on like that fresh linen smell. So I'm super excited about trying this one. Oh, it smells so good. And I'm so pissed off because typically there's like a wax strip like right at the top. And it's for when you're holding it to make sure when you grab it, it doesn't like crumble. You have some grip to it or whatever. But I don't have that on here. And it was gold, just like the gold one I just showed you. But so we got that one. I think this one retailed for about $10. No, this one was about $7. And then they were still having their Christmas sale. So it was like 50% off on all the old Christmas stuff. And you know your girl loves a discount. So, oh, they smell so good. These smell so good. This one is called the Golden, I got the name on it. This one is called the Golden Pear soap. I really didn't want to open these because I was going to save them, but I guess I'll show you guys. What it looks like. They're really, really pretty. And I bought this one because it had like gold glitter in it. As y'all can see, I'm really feeling the gold shimmer. Literally, it matches my nails, but a gold shimmer like soap. And this is a bath soap. Ooh, this smells so good, guys. It smells so good. It smells so good. And I think this one ran me, it was 50% off. So I got that one for about $6. About $6. This one is called Baked Alaska Soap. And I don't exactly remember because like I said, I bought these like 2 weeks ago. So I don't exactly remember what it looked like. So let's see what it looked like. Oh yeah, this was that beautiful one. You guys, how beautiful is this soap? Literally, like, and they make their, clearly they make their soap, but it's made of all fresh ingredients. They don't test their products on animals. It smells absolutely divine. My God. My God. Whew, it smells so good. I cannot wait to get off of here. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells so good. I can't wait. So up next, guys, I already showed y'all this in my other video. So make sure you guys check out that video. I'll probably link it in the description. But this was the unicorn lip scrub, which I told y'all I didn't really suggest. It didn't get my lips dry at all, but it's super cute. And this ran me, it was expensive as heck. It ran me about $12–14. So I honestly really think that you guys should get the samples. And when I say get the samples,
like that up. So why you acting like that? You done put two of America's most wanted in the same place at the same time.
Samples on deck. Now, my hair keeps getting in my mouth. Now, I honestly suggest if you honestly would like to try that lip scrub and don't want to spend the money, the $14 on that little bitty jar that is gonna last you forever, go to the store and get you a sample. Be like, hey, I want to try the blah 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 lip scrub, the unicorn lip scrub, and they'll give you a jar this big, literally, with this. Now, if y'all can see, that's about half the jar, and they fill it up. I'll literally show y'all. But I'm gonna just show y'all the samples that I got. I got the Dark Angels Facet Body Cleanser. Can't really get that open. But it's like a charcoal in there. But this whole thing is filled. So I'm not gonna open them all, but I got that one. I got American Cream Shower Gel, Silky Underwear Dusting Powder, Rose Bar Shower Gel, Twilight Shower Jelly. Ooh, now this I probably will go back and buy because I really think it's cool that the shower gel comes in like this gel form. Can y'all see it like wiggling? I like that. So I'm definitely gonna try that. I'll let y'all know what I think about that. I got Happy Hippie Shower Gel, Sleepy Body Lotion. That's another replica. I got the Beauty Mask. Now this one I definitely want to try for sure. It's like a little face mask. They had these all over YouTube. I gotta try that one. Doesn't really smell that great, but I have to try it. So we got that, the Sleepy face scrub. We got the Rose Argan body conditioner, rub shower scrub. Wow, that rhymed. Rub shower scrub. Pink peppermint foot lotion. I'm gonna be giving Boo a pedicure this weekend, so I got like everything planned out. It's gonna be so cute. So I definitely think I'm gonna use this sample on him. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use that on him. We got Twilight Shower Jelly, another one, but this is a different color. Another beauty mask. As y'all see, I was taking a whole bunch of samples. Another face mask. Honey, I Washed the Kids shower gel. Magic Crystal body scrub. Let's see how much is in that one. Like, seriously, you guys, you really need to get samples. And this is completely filled. Like, they not stingy. Like, this is more than enough. And if you go back several times and get you a sample, I'm just saying, I took like 4 of like 1. So if, let's say you wanted to go back and buy, I don't know, not a body scrub, a body balm, while you there, get you one of these. Come back another day and get some more. I'm just saying. Just saying. And we got the Twilight Shower Jelly, another one. I'm telling you, I took a whole bunch of everything that I wanted to try, and multiples of them. I even had my dog in there. And look how sometimes they'll get the bigger ones. Look how much is in that, guys. That's like 2 of these in one, and I got multiples of those. So this one was the Odie Cream shower cream, and then another rub. As y'all can see, another rub. So this is all I got for like my Lush haul. I ended up with like a whole bunch of samples. A whole bunch of samples. You better get you some, girl. Okay, this video has to end now. All right, guys, but so that's all I got at Lush. Thank you guys for checking out this video. It was real quick, I know. Hope to see you guys in my next one tomorrow. Bye, guys.